Canker sores or aphthous ulcers are small, shallow lesions that develop inside the mouth, often on the inner cheeks, lips, gums, or tongue. They're not contagious, unlike cold sores caused by herpes, but can be painful, especially when eating, drinking, or talking.
What are canker sores?
You've got stories still to write, moments waiting in the light. Every stumble makes you strong. You're not alone, just sing along.
Possible causes. Canker sores don't have one exact cause, but common triggers include the following. Possible causes. Canker sores don't have the top one cause, injury to the mouth, accidentally biting cheek, raises irritation. 2. Nutritional deficiencies. These are vitamin B12, iron, folate, and zinc. 3. Hormonal changes. Example given during menstruation. 4. Stress and a lack of sleep. 5. Food sensitivities. Example given are citrus, spicy, acidic foods. 6. Weakened immune system. 7. Certain toothpaste ingredients like sodium lauryl sulfate. Home remedies. These can help ease discomfort and speed healing. Home remedy number 1. Salt water rinse. Mix 1/2 teaspoon salt in cup warm water. Swish for 15 to 30 seconds. Spit out. Reduces bacteria and inflammation. The second home remedy, baking soda rinse. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1/2 cup warm water. Neutralizes acids and soothes irritation. The third home remedy, honey. Dab directly on the sore. Has antibacterial and healing properties. The fourth home remedy, aloe vera gel. Apply pure aloe vera gel to the sore 2 to 3 times daily. Soothes pain and speeds healing. The fifth home remedy, coconut oil. Apply with a cotton swab. Works as a natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. The sixth home remedy, cold milk or ice chips. Numbs the area temporarily, reducing pain. Lifestyle and prevention tips. Avoid irritating foods. Example given are spicy, acidic, salty snacks. Use SLS-free toothpaste. Manage stress and get enough sleep. Eat a nutrient-rich diet. Example given are B vitamins, iron, and zinc. And of course, stay hydrated. When to see a doctor. Seek medical advice if sores are unusually large or spreading, last longer than 2 weeks, cause extreme pain or fever, keep coming back very frequently. And that's it. Simple and effective remedies to help you heal canker sores faster and prevent them from coming back. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference for your oral health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel here is signing off.